I'm going to the bathroom to play some music. Or want to do it in the dance room.
The monster can't hear it. Oh no, my friend's
go to the dance room. Want to go to the dance room actually? Want to try it in the dance room?
I gotta go see my friend.
Okay.
Bro, look at that.
That's head.
I don't understand.
Also,
Why they keep trying to. They keep trying to.
I'm gonna play some music to where everyone can hear it.
What's wrong in the back room?
Alright, coming. I'm coming. Okay? We're gonna play music in the back room.
Elevator.
Also, let's do it once we get to the, flower area.
Oh no. What? Wait. I'm gonna go ask Twin if you wanna play. I didn't ask Twin. I gotta go get food. Oh my god. I gotta open the body armor, I forgot. I'm gonna invite Twin to a party. I don't know if Twin is joining. Twin probably is joining. Because I love Twin. Twin! Where have you been? No, I don't think she's gonna join. She probably won't. Yeah, Twin's not joining. Twin indeed did not join. She's offline. She's like probably busy right now, but she might be over soon. Not today, not tomorrow. But she'll be over like soon enough, guys. But I don't know how long this video is gonna last. Because I've been using all my storage on all the other videos that I made. Yes, slay. Bro, I'm gonna interview this in the back. People in kitten game, the second they're walking away, like when they walk away, the second they see you build something out of sand, they'll be faster than supersonic and they will freaking run to break it. Like, chill, bro, chill. Like, for real. I'm drinking blue raspberry body armor. This is my second one today. So I'm gonna take a Capri Sun. So I'm on my second body armor today. I don't know what the Alexa's saying. Wait, can I set up this bubble before it disappears? But I could. If you bet I can't, then I bet you're gonna like and subscribe. I'm just kidding. I'm not baiting. Daisy. Hey, what's the new, drama with the obsession dance? What is it? Like, what is the obsession dance? Sorry if I'm annoying. I'm kind of confused. I'm confused with it. Okay. Well, I'll make sure to turn the comments on this video, but please tell me, bro. Please. Maybe I'll turn it down a little bit. But there's a new glitch. I figured it out, by the way. I didn't use a tutorial for it. You jump and then and then you do a flip out of the pool. Somehow, when you jump off the trampoline into the water, it somehow triggers something. Just think that you're actually on the trampoline still, but you're actually not. Summer mask. Bro. Sorry. Wait. I had to get another sip of that stuff, bro. Love myself some body armor. Free blue raspberry, banana, strawberry banana flavor, fruit punch flavor, peach mango flavor. Those are my favorite flavors. I'm gonna figure out how to collab with some of my other members. But soon I'm gonna figure out how to collab with my other members. One of my members sadly does not have YouTube. Like, not even TikTok. She doesn't have a device. But I'm gonna like collab.